Hi guys, today we have a Mercury Mariner 09 Harbin, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing the link bar, and this is the old part, the new part. So we're going to lift it and take the tires out and show you how the step by step how to do this. So you put your jack, make sure that tire's going up, and always you want to have when your tire's up, you want to have a stand right here, which is for your safety. This is some of the tools we're going to be using. So let me put that in the stand, let me get the stand, and then I show you the next step. So we put the stand there, we got a thing there. Now we took all the nuts out, we take the tire out. So what we're gonna do with the tire is we're gonna put it under to use it as a safety tool, you know, like sorry about that. So let me bring it over here. When you're at it, you always check your tire if you want to see if you got a nail or anything on it, which I don't. I will check. Put the tire for safety there. Now you come here and you check everything else. You want to check everything else over here. Sorry. So now you bring the tire from over there. Now you want to check here. I checked the brakes. This brake got a lot of meat. That's good. You check everything else. The ball joints, the inner tie rod, the outer tie rod. It looks good. It's not shaking. It's not making no sound. But the link bar it's not good. So we're gonna change that. So that's so far what I can see. You can check the axle. The axle looks good. Everything looks good. Everything looks out good in here. So now we're gonna change the axle. The link bar. So I'll get back to you in a minute. Sorry, I didn't record when I took this one out, but actually what you're gonna need is number 17 in here to grab this right here, 17, and then a number 14 for the nuts, and that's all you need. You need for this is a 14, and that's how you take that one out. I'm about to take the bottom one out. You can see I have the 17. Now I'm gonna put the 14 to take it out. I cannot record, you know, at the same time. I don't got a tripod, I haven't buy it. But please subscribe and leave your comment. And the more you subscribe, the better. The more people know about this videos, can help them out. Let me keep on doing. Then I'll show you the old one and the new one, how they're on and everything. Now we have the old one and the new one next to each other, and this is one of the thing is, look, see how simple. I'm not even doing no pressure there, and look how it is. That's why when you hit a bump, you hit any little bump you hit, you hear it, because this is not doing the job. It's broken already. So you know that's why it's supposed to be like this hard. You can see I'm making a pressure to move it, you know. And it's not moving. It's not that easy to move it. The same thing here. This one, you can go, it's easy. You see this one? If you try to move, it's not that easy. So that's why you need to change it. You're gonna always hear that or hear that noise on your when you hit any little bump. That's the links. So that's why I'm hearing this noise from this link. So that's why it's time to change it. I look at it and it was time to change it. So I'm gonna change it now. It's just how you took it back. You know, you put it in here, and then you use your crowbar there. You put it down so you can put it in there. And this is the simple way. This is the easy way. So let me put it on. Then I'll show you how that looks on. And now I put both of them. They tight. You can see they're good. And that's how you do the link on a Mercury Mariner 09. And like I told you, you always check everything. You check for the disc. Disc look good. Everything else here looks good. So that will be all for this, and yes, we can do it. So share this video with everybody who can subscribe. That will be helpful, and the more subscribe and the views I get, the more they're inspired to put more videos of different cars that I am fixing. And this is something you can do yourself. You don't have to bring it to a mechanic. You can do it yourself, at home and with a friends. Always have your safety. Be prepared with your safety always, and that's one of the things you always got to make sure. And then after you're done, you can go and drink a beer with your friends. Subscribe. Thank you. Till next time. Yes, we can.